In this interesting gambling game, you're betting on the sequence of colors in a deck of cards. The only thing that matters, red, black. Suits are meaningless. Red, black, red, black. Here's how the game is played. It's a two-player game. Your opponent goes first and picks a three-color sequence that will appear. They can pick, say, black, 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 red, 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 black, red, 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 black, red, 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 black, and so on. And you name your sequence. The cards are dealt one at a time in a row, and if the sequence comes up, that constitutes a winning trick for whoever had that color sequence. Okay, I'll run through two examples. This will be you. Your sequence is black, black, red. This will be me. There, I'll put this card here. My sequence is red, black, black. Okay? You have black, black, red. I have red, black, black. The deck is shuffled. Believe me, these are not in any particular sequence. And this is how you start to play. You deal the cards singly off the top of the deck. So we have a red, a black, a black. Red, black, black. Okay, that was my sequence. So I win one trick. The cards are put to the side. It continues. Black, red, red. That's nobody's sequence. Black. Black. So we have red, black, black. Red, black, black. So I win this trick. Continue. Red, black, black. Another winner. I win that trick. Black, 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 red. There's a black, black, red sequence. Black, black, red. You win a trick. Red, black, red, red. So we have, you're looking for black, black, red. I'm looking for red, black, black. Nothing appeared yet. Red, red, red. We could push these down. Black, red. Move these down. Black, red, red, black. No, no. No sequence yet. And again, we'll push these down. Remember, you're black, black, red. I'm looking for red, black, black. Again, we'll push these down. Since the remaining ones don't matter. And Oh, there's a red, black, black. Red, black, black. So I won this trick. Another red, black, black. I want another trick. Black, black, red. Winner for you. And game over with a single card. Well, the net result is you won 2 tricks. I won 1, 2, 3, 4, and I won 5 tricks. Okay, I'll show you again what a difference. All right, this time you have red, black, black. And remember, I had that last time. You will have red, black, black. And I will pick red, red, black. Okay. I have red, black, black, and you have red, black, black. I have red, red, black, and you have red, black, black. One more shuffle. All right, here we go. Red, red, black. Red, red, black. Win one trick. Red, black, black. You win a trick. Red, red, black. Red, red, black. I win a trick. Again, red, red, black appears right here. Red, black, black. That was one of yours. You win a trick. Holy moly. Red, red, black. Red, red, black. I win a trick. Red, black, black. One for you. Red, red, black. Win a trick. Red, black, black. A trick for you. And we only have enough. Let's see. Black, red, red, red. Nobody for the last one. We count up the tricks again. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 tricks for you. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tricks for me. The game is absolutely amazing. The chart is below, but the winning percentages are astronomical. For example, if you pick red, black, black, and I pick red, red, black, I have an 88% chance to beat you. 88% chance. In our first example, if you pick black, black, red, and I pick red, black, black, I have a whopping 93% chance to win. More tricks than you in the game. An amazing bet. I still don't understand all the mathematics behind it, but I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.